Hello everybody. So yesterday we got the buy signal for Bitcoin, finally I would say. So we got the sell signal here on the 6th of April, and now yesterday we got the buy signal on the close. So the advantage is that today we are already down 2.85%, so you can buy it a bit cheaper than when it would have been triggered automatically at the close of the candle. So yeah, for Bitcoin as usual, and this is only for Bitcoin that I do this, I also put a buy order at the current trailing stop, which is for Bybit on 19,624.5. Because I've seen through backtesting that it often happens that it backtests this region and then rejects from it. So for example, here you get a sell signal, and then here we get a push up to the line, and then we're coming down. Also here, retest of this stop loss line, and we continue to the downside. Good. So this is for Bitcoin, then Ethereum. Very nice buy signal a couple of days ago. Yesterday plus 18%, and today we're giving a bit back. So also here looks good. So for Ethereum and other coins, I don't put a buy order at the stop loss, because usually it's also quite far away. Look, Ethereum needs to drop another 22% before it would trigger the order, and I haven't really seen good signals from backtesting where it makes sense to put your order. Like here, you have your sell order, but it never reaches the stop loss, and when it does, then it's actually the buy signal you get. So also here, sell signal, and we never tested the line, so except a couple of days ago, but that was then again the buy signal. So Ethereum, then Solana, we're above the buy level from the 24th of June. XLM, here we're still waiting for the buy signal. We're waiting to close above 0.1182. Oh yeah, from Bitcoin, so this was the ATR algo. So let's have a look for the turtle trading. So we didn't get the buy signal yet. Let's just double check. Yeah, because we didn't close above. This was more or less 22,500. Yeah, 540. And it even went up a bit today, because it works with the Donchian channels, so it will always take the high from the past, I don't know how many candles. So since yesterday we made a new high, but we didn't close above it, it will push up the trigger line to buy. So it now moved up to 22,768. So it really wants that price is pushing up before it buys. So that's a bit the advantage of the turtle trading strategy. You really want to have bullish sentiment before it will step in. So yeah, for this one we still have to wait a bit, but one algo already triggered the buy signal. Then what else am I looking at? Let's have a look. Gold. Here for gold, I'm still bullish as long as we don't break this 16,700. 1,676 region. We still have the yearly pivot support 1, just at 1,687, and for now it looks like we're having support on this monthly and weekly support line, which dates back from here from March 2021. So yeah, so for now it looks fine. Algo trading, this one is not really the best one. If we have a look, so the turtle trading would give you 276%, and buy and hold is 197. So it's doing a bit better than the buy and hold strategy. So yeah. Anyway, profit is profit. So this one will give a long signal if we close above 1745. And then let's have a look at silver. Here for now, support on this monthly support. If we go to the monthly chart, then you will see here it was resistance. We did break through. And for now, it looks like it turned into support. So let's hope it keeps it that way. Then the ATR algo, this one would trigger along on 2373. So performance, 688% of profit. And if you would buy and hold, you would have 11%. So this one is definitely a good one. The only problem is that you stay on average 406 days in your trade. So if you trade this with leverage on Wenda, for example, then there's a high fee to keep your position in silver. So this one is more useful in my opinion with physical silver. So this this is a bit more than a year, so you can easily keep the silver physically and then sell it after 1 year, and you won't have any costs. Yeah, and then for the turtle strategy, this one would give you more or less the same profit, so 658%, and this one would trigger, let's see, at 19.41. And so let's see, yeah, so here you on average you're 28 days in a trade, so this one is better suited to keep on a leveraged exchange. So also this one, pyramiding 4. So yeah, this one is using 4 times leverage. So it will buy 4 times. And then here are the settings for the ones who want to trade it. So you can pause the video to take it over. So that's it for silver. And then you have some other things that I'm watching. Here, Euro, USD. Here I'm trying the super trend strategy. So far I found, okay, I've written it here, so that the best settings are ATR length 1 and factor 2.92. So this one is one that I'm testing since we got the short signal. So, and here we will go long again when we close above 1.025. So let's see, but here the advantage with Forex for a lot of coins is that they nicely trade pivot supports, especially the yearly ones. So here you can see we could keep it as a support. We failed to reach the S1 support. Retest, found a bit of support, and then we did fall through. So my expectation is that based on this red arrow, that we fall further to support 3, which would be at 0.976. So anyway, if my bots, they will buy whenever the signal is there, but this is just what I'm looking at, what a possible scenario is. And then crude oil, yeah, not much to say here. Here we got the exit signal on the 17th of June, and well, actually, yeah, we might soon get a buy signal again at 109.464. So yeah, we will see this. I've drawn this yellow resistance line here. Take this one away. So indeed, once we get a buy signal, then maybe we get a breakout from this resistance line. So yeah, and so the performance, yeah, look at this one. This is 64,340%, and then buy and hold would give you 289. So this is a really good one. So 50% profitable. So that means every 1 in 2 trades will be profitable. So maybe the settings. I'll also show the settings for this one. So, and then the properties, this for pyramiding. So you will buy 5 times maximum. This is oil, and then we have copper. But copper still has a long way to go. So the buy signal would be at 4.46. So this is another 35% increase. I don't know if is this the correct one? Yeah. So this strategy would give you 23,790%, and buy and hold 315. So this one is also a good one. Also 50% profitable. And this, the settings, so also leverage 5 times, and these are the settings. All right, good. Then let's have a look at the trading account. So they all flipped now. So Bitcoin, we flipped long. So here the account is now worth $1,800. So that's an $800 profit. And I've looked it up, and I believe it was, yeah, the first video was on May the 19th of last year. So that's when I started with the $1,000 account. So this is 80% of profit. Ethereum did very well. So 1,000 became 3,600 for the moment. And then Solana is a fairly new one. So from 1,000 to 1,600. Okay, good. That's it for me. See you in the next one. Bye.